गायत्री, जोशी गायत्री.
Yes, sir.
Today is your first lecture? Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Today is your first lecture?
No, sir.
No. Have you attended the previous lecture also? I am
Yes,
finding
sir.
you are absent for the previous some lectures.
Present,
Uh,
sir.
on the fourth, what was the first, second lecture you are absent. Then on the sixth also you are absent. Number 10.
सर 4 तारखेला absent होते पण परत नव्हते सर absent
6 तारखेला
नाही प्रेझेंट होते सर.
नाही की absent आहे तुमचा नंबर इथं. 7 तारखेला 8 तारखेला कालच्या लेक्चरला फक्त तुम्ही होता. स्टडी
होते सर.
ओनली.
होते सर कालच्या लेक्चरला.
कालच्याच होता म्हणतो ना मी. प्रिव्हियस 3 लेक्चर्स यू आर absent. absent राहू नका आता. Okay. All are here now. आलेत सगळे. All have joined. I am finding 43, म्हणजे 42 are there, including me 43. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I am very happy that maximum means nearly 90% students have sent the screenshot, including Krishna Kohli also. And Krishna has sent only one page. Is it correct, Krishna?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
And I asked him what about others. He said he has having, but he wouldn't find time to send that part. Correct na? He is busy person, Krishna. Anybody is remaining who has not sent the screenshot? असं कोण आहे का? सायली, सायली सेंड केलेला आहे. गायत्री, have you sent it? जोशी?
No, sir.
Why? What is problem? Yesterday you were there, na? That time only I told. Gayatri, I'm asking to you. Is there any problem?
No, sir. आज सेंड करते सर.
हाँ. चलो. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Screen visible? So yesterday's lecture we are done with the chapter number first. We are completed, and as per requirement, I have shared the notes of the first chapter, PPTs, and also assignment question. So one of the students asked me, "So what about assignment? How to write and when to submit?" So as and when the chapter will be finished, you have to write the assignment and you have to upload by putting the roll number name in the top page, or every page I can say. On every page you have to put the roll number and you can share it. So I'll provide the link for sharing the assignments. For all the assignments, same link will be there. एकच लिंक आहे त्यात तुम्ही प्रत्येक वेळेस अपलोड करा. It doesn't have any limit. Okay, the limit काढून टाकेन. So whole semester 3 months it will be active. So as and when the chapter will be finished, Mahesh and from the girl LR, who is the LR in the class? Hello. Who is LR ladies representative from the class? No one is there. Only one CR is there. Mahesh, is it so?
Yes, sir. I am CR and there are 3 BR batch representative.
Okay, batch BR there. LR is not there. Okay. So including that BR and the CR, I'm asking, what should be the deadline to submit the assignment? As from the your side, I will take it. After completion chapter, within the how many days?
Within 1 week, sir.
Within the 1 week. Okay. What about BR? What is your opinion? BR, those are the BRs. कोण आहेत जरा सांगा महेश मला.
Yes, sir.
हा, तुमचं नाव सांगा आणि ओपिनियन.
My name is Sally Landwe. Sir, within 15 days.
Within the 15 days. बर, नेक्स्ट BR. थर्ड बॅच, सेकंड बॅच काय असेल, कोण आहे नंतर?
Sir, within 20 days.
Within the 20 days. कोण आहे? कृष्णा, कोण आहे ते?
Yes, sir.
20 days required to write assignment. Then find we
Yes,
have the
sir.
eight. We have the 8 assignments. Sudarshan. Then 8 assignment will come in the next year to submit it. Is it okay? Huh? We have total 8 chapters, means we have the 8 assignments. And if you talk about 20 days for each assignment, multiply 8 into 20, how many days? Again, we are saying that after completion of the chapter. Means 7th, 8th assignment will come after the next year, next semester. Always find the logical time, some logical will be there. As I said that, Mahesh, I am agree with that. So once chapter be finished, actually you should start writing when chapter points are going to be covered, the questions are there in that. I will share the assignment when the chapter will be start, no issue in that. And notes also. So it is easy for you people to do the study as well as you can write the assignment question. When the point will be over, you can write that particular point as a question and the answer of that. So 1 week is okay, I think. Is it okay, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
1 week is, I think it is sufficient. We have the nearly, if you talk about first assignment, only 3 questions are there. In the third assignment, second, third is large one. Then assignment number 5 and the 6 is the large one. 7, 8 are the small. Where the except 3, 4 assignments, we have the questions greater than 10 and other assignment less than 10 are there. Okay, so 1 week is, I think it is enough time to write the assignment. If you talk about one question on one day, it will be okay. In the 1 week it is finished. Correct. So follow the deadline. I'll put the message everywhere in the group. So start writing assignment first. So assignment first we can submit up to Tuesday. Okay, because only 3, 4 questions are there on that. Okay, Mahesh, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Second onwards, when the chapter will be finished, second chapter, simultaneously we start writing. One chapter will finish, we'll get the 1 week time to submit the assignment. Anyhow, you have to write the assignment. Don't make delay in that. It will create problem while the submission. Chalo. So after that, write chapter number 2. We'll start with chapter number 2. Write down unit number 2, then title of the chapter, the 8051 architecture and the instructions. This is the name of the chapter. And this chapter is little bit large one, bigger one, because we have the different types of instructions and the addressing mode for that. It requires little bit more time. Written? Title of chapter, heading on the top paragraph of notebook, the 8051 architecture and the instructions. Then we'll go to the next point, that is our syllabus. C 2.1, you can write down C 2.1, outlines of the chapter or the syllabus of the chapter. And in that specifically we have 8051 microcontroller hardware. Hardware means what? It's architecture. Then various addressing modes. Then we have the instruction set, input output pins, IO pins. 4 ports are there and they act as a IO ports. Then ports and circuits for that. IO port circuits are there. How it acts as the input output, we have to configure it. Then how to interface external memory. Then we have the timers, counters in that IC, and then serial communication, that is by using the how data can be sent out or in the controller serially. We have to see that. And the last point in that is going to be interrupts. That is the last part. Take it down, everyone. fast. Done this? Syllabus is over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have the sheet 2.2, that is with the MCQ and the assignment questions. And I have uploaded all the things and I have provided it. Have you got that study material link to you people? Mahesh? That Google Sheet the CC is going to share. Has he shared the Google Sheet with you?
No, sir.
Okay, I will tell you. Or otherwise, I'll share it, the link for that. So I'll show here only. So don't do anything in that only. That is required. I can understand who is doing that, but you should not do it. So in that study material link, if you go to the drive, on that I uploaded the folder, that is the MCA folder. In that folder, we have all these things. So one more folder in that. So if somebody is asking all these things, so you can see here, all the PPTs means chapter 4 PPT, total 8 chapters are there. We have all the chapter PPTs in that. So you can, once the lecture is over, I will share that Google Sheet with you. So in that Google Sheet, same link is I shared, we can open it and we can take it. Don't try to remove it. I have given option only view. Then data of MC doesn't matter to you. Notes of handwritten, it is there. Somebody is asking yesterday, Mahesh is asking me in terms of order only. 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters notes I shared. Another it is there. 2, 3 copies are there with me. I'll show it here. And then Kale software also is there. If somebody is using the laptop, we need to do the practice by using this software. Just click on that, this software will run and then install on your desktops. So we can perform the assembly language program using this IC. The lab manual also it is there. While writing the practice, we needed it. So lab manual also I have uploaded at this moment on the drive. Then I have assignment questions. So you can see it here. Chapter wise assignment questions are there. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 1? 1 is missing. Here is 1. So I shared this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all assignments are in that folder only. But go with that separate booklet assignment Word file, because we have the assignment as well as MCQ in that. Okay. Then in that section, you have the notes of that. Okay. All the handwritten notes of the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a requirement for you people. You need only what? Assignment questions, MCQ, PPTs also, and handwritten notes that I shared all these things with you. If you need the data set also, it is there. And one book is there. So I showed the book also. Some videos are also there. So you don't need video for you people. I removed video also. Mazdi is the book of the name. I think it is not there. Immediately I'll upload it here only in front of you people. Same folder I uploaded MCA. I'm finding book Mazdi. So this is the book used for, and also instruction set in this part I uploaded it here. So one book is there that is called as the Muhammad Ali Masdi, as I've mentioned. That book is sufficient for we people to refer. Too many programs and all instructions are given in that. Okay, so you can refer it here, and that is needed for you only. For as I said that for this our subject, it is sufficient. Okay, have you seen this? Where to look at what is things are there, Mahesh? And all of
Yes,
you,
sir, yes.
not Mahesh only. Huh? So this link I'll share. Just I'll put in front of you people only. So MCA, right click, share the link. So start preparing. So only people added to, you can view this. Anyone, I'll put anyone, so you can view all these things. Copy link and done. This is our group. This is our group. Link of MCA study material. So you can keep this link somewhere in note all these things, so you can understand and you'll get all the data at that moment. Okay, Mahesh ji, okay.
Yes, sir, yes.
So we are here point, huh? So as I said that why we switches from this our syllabus to that point, because MCQ question, assignment questions, all these thing I shared here and notes also. That is then that point. Then C 2.3, write down about title of chapter. Please take it everyone, it is important. C 2.3 about title of chapter, right heading. Done. Have you done this?
Yes.
Write down. Next point. The chapter name consists of. The chapter name consists of. So can elaborate in the 3 words or the 2 words, but the 8051 is the name of IC. That's why I taken 2 words only. The title of the chapter consists of 2 TWO, 2 words, WRDS, 2 words. The first word is 8051 architecture. Write down first word in that, below that line, 8051 architecture. Dash in front of that. We'll see the meaning of the title of the what word were written. What is meaning of 8051? What is this for first word 8051? What meaning is that? It's a name of the IC. Correct. So 8051 is the name of IC that is given by the Atmega controller. And in the history we have seen in the previous chapter, 1970-71 around, this IC is going to be invented. We talk about this IC belong to the von Neumann type of architecture and goes to the CISC family only. Complex systems that are there in that. PIC is for the RISC. Dash in front of that, 8051 is the name given to the IC microcontroller. Written. 8051 is name of the IC microcontroller by Atmega. And if you observe, this 8051 is nowhere we're using. We have the 89 series, 89C51, 89C51, RD2, RD3, RD1, like that. This is basic name of the microcontroller IC. Written. 8051 is the name of IC given by the Atmega. basic IC around 1970-71. Okay, and in that only for second word is what? Architecture. So what do you mean of architecture? Normally for the degree, BA architecture, B architecture, like that. So what was the hometowns or home plannings are there, or builders? They're doing the architect of that particular hometown or home. These are houses there. Okay. So what is meaning of that? Architecture means in detail design of the particular thing. What is inside that? What is outside that? That defined by the architecture. Correct. So now in our case, we have the IC 8051. So if it observe that IC, we have a small IC. I'll put here that IC. Let's let me go here. 8051 IC. So I'll use that image. I need that proper name. Is it visible? This IC? Yes. If you observe that on that IC it is written Intel 8051 or Atmega 8051, no issue in that. So if you talk about architecture, what is this inside the IC? We have different CPU registers, timer counters, how they are located, how they are connected with the different diagrams. Okay, that will define by the name architecture. So what is meaning of architecture? In detail design of the IC. What is inside and what is outside, how it is looking. That is meaning of the architecture. Got it? Write down dash architecture dash. Next line. Architecture dash in detail design of the thing or device. In detail design of the thing or the device. Full stop. It consists of internal as well as external appearance of the device. It consists of internal as well as external appearance of the device. Done? Written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And meaning colors, Ravanna? Architecture is meaning?
Yes, sir.
Now in case of this 8051, as I said that we have this CPU inside, we have the timer counter, IO ports, and how all they are connected to the main our CPU or the ALU unit. Okay, that is called as internal design of the all the devices in case of our IC 8051. Second word mentioned instructions. Write down. Second word we have mentioned instructions. Check. Second word indicates instructions. Okay, what does mean of instruction? As I said that I am instructing you. What meaning is I am instructing you. Means what? Mahesh can understand easily. What is meaning of instruction?
Set of rules.
Set of rules, or it is called as command, or you can say it is order also. Okay, so instruction means what? It is a set of rule, or you can say it is command, or it can be a order given to the certain thing. But in case of, as I said that this is controller, means what? It is a machine. Okay, it is electronic equipment, that is IC. How it understands? Correct? it requires only one type of language, that is called as a binary language. So it understands only 0 and 1 digital data. Okay, so as to understand that, we have the coding methods for this IC. One is called as a assembly level language, in which I am using the different types of instructions. Another is called as a C language. In that we have some syntaxes along with the registers. Okay, and then we have the assembler and the compiler, which will convert this assembly language into the binary file. That is different part, we'll see that. But instruction here meaning is that it is a kind of command or order which is required, which is given to the anyone, person, device, equipment, thing. Correct? Clear? Yeah. Dash पुढे instruction dash. It is command or order. It is kind of command or order given to. It is kind of order or command given to device or a person. Device or a person. Full stop. Here, 8051 is a IC, that is a machine, or you can get device. Here, 8051 is a device, electronic device, which understands coding a language, which understands coding language, which may be assembly in bracket set of instructions, which understands assembly language. Spelling येते assemblyचं ASSEMBLY, assembly language in bracket set of instructions, as I said, that move, add, subtract, jump, like this. Or C language, assembly language in bracket set of instruction bracket complete, or C language in bracket set of syntaxes, operator, functions, anything. Done?
Yes.
Okay. So you understood the meaning of that. Then we have the C 2.4, that is called as a central idea of the chapter. So by looking this diagram only, I will tell what is inside in this chapter. First thing, the name of the IC 8051, how it is designed, what are the features in that IC, okay, and it's an internal diagram. So it is called as a internal block diagram or architecture diagram, and the study of each and every device inside that IC, that comes under our central idea. Means first starting with the block diagram of IC 8051 architecture, then features of that IC, then we have the IO ports. 4 IO ports are there: port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4, and all the some ports are the multifunctionals. It acts as an IO port as well as some other application can be used. Then how to write the data on the port 0, 1, how to read the data from the port, all this thing comes under that. Then we have the timer counters, how to configure the timer, how to configure the counters, how to design square wave, rectangular wave by using the timers. All these things is there in that else. Along with this interrupt. What is interrupt? Last lecture we have seen that. What is interrupt? Interrupt means what? कोण सांगते मला? Interruption means interrupt. What is interrupt? नाही सांगतात कोणाला? हॅलो, व्हॉट इज इंटरप्ट? येते का नाहीये सांगायला? काल आपण पहिल्या लेक्चरला yesterday seen that interrupt is what? A signal. It may be internal or external, which takes the attention of the processor or the controller, and based on the priority, it suspend the current task and go for the interrupted event. It can be executed. Once completed, comes back. Always remember example, you are attending the lecture and at your home only, someone is going to be interrupted you. And if it is very, very urgent, you may discontinue lecture and you went to that particular task. You complete the task and the time is there, you can start attending the lecture. This is meaning of interrupt, a signal or event which takes the attention of the controller and based on the priority, suspend the current execution and goes for the what was the event occur, finish that event and comes back to the our original main program from where it is going to be resumed. Clear?
Yes.
Then second next point, C2.5, importance of the chapter. So why this chapter is important to the third year ENT students? Now everybody knows that. As a part of your third year, you are the students of TY BTech, and this syllabus is your part of curriculum decided by the university. And why this is important for you people? Because whatever the students are there for the ENTC, they must understand what is the role of the controller. If you went to the certain automation industry, how to make the things automatic. Okay, so always I'm giving that example. You are coming at the certain mall or at your home, and you want surprisingly the doors of your home should be open automatic. Correct. So how it is done? We need the controller there. That is a master controller which takes the action based on the input command given. So I'm interfacing sensor here, and based on the sensor, I have the output which will run the motor and door will be open. Okay. So student must understand what is the controller, how to design that controller, how to program the controller, what are the instructions are required for that, which languaging method can be used. Okay, how to generate square wave, how to generate the triangular wave, what is timer, what is counter, and what are the different ports are there in that controller, how they can be configured, how to read the data from the port. All these things comes under the important chapter. Okay, so all these things must be understood by the TY NTC students. That's why this chapter is important for them, means you people. Clear? It's simple. What was the curriculum we decided? It must be understood by you, and not only understood, you should implement in somewhere your societal applications. Okay. Then next point, we have the C2.6, that is called as the outcomes of the chapter. Outcomes, so we have to define the outcomes. So I'll share that part also. We forgot to write. Have you completed syllabus? As I said, that keep some points for writing the syllabus. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Nobody has sent a screenshot of the syllabus. Okay. So this thing, outcome means what? If you observe the first outcome of the basics of the 8051, we need to understand. And once every chapter is completed, we have to see that either we achieve the outcomes or not. So what is this COs, this course outcome first? Describe the fundamental features and operation of the 8051 microcontroller. So in that, we have the features and the operation. That comes in chapter number 2. But in chapter number 1, just we have the fundamentals, means the difference between the microprocessor, microcontroller, CISC, RISC, and the hardware and the one-node architecture. So who will tell me difference? One difference from each point. Difference between the first, difference between the microprocessor and the controller. What is the difference? Very, very easy. So I can say the first outcome is achieved, fundamentals of the 8051. Kai main outcome features in that? सांगता येईल कोणाला? Difference between the microprocessor and the controller? Nobody?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
मायक्रो प्रोसेसर मध्ये रॅम रॉम आयओ पोर्ट्स टायमर सेपरेट असतात. ते मायक्रो कंट्रोलर मध्ये सिंगल चिप मध्ये असतात.
correct. Very basic difference is that in the microprocessor don't have the IO devices, on chip devices. In that INC only have registers and the ALU, that is CPU. तेवढंच आहे त्यामध्ये, त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त काय नाहीये. But in case of the microcontroller, we have the on chip CPU, registers, timer, counter, RAM, ROM, all memories in that. That is the first difference in that. Then other things don't want, I don't want that. Operation memory cycle जास्त लागतात, execution time जास्त लागेल, हे ते doesn't matter. Basic difference is what we should understand that. IO ports on chip devices नाहीये microprocessor मध्ये, but in case of controller we have the on chip devices. Clear? सेकंड डिफरन्स कोण सांगते मला? सिस्क आणि रिस्क. सिस्क आणि रिस्क मध्ये सांगता येईल? कॉम्प्लेक्स instruction set computers, reduced instruction set computers. Complex means what? We have the large number of instructions in that. But in case of risk, we have the small number of instructions. That only you understood here only. And von Neumann Harvard, क्या difference है? In terms of program memories. What is the difference between processor and the controller? Sorry, von Neumann and the Harvard architecture. सांगता येत नाही? हॅलो, सांगता येईल का नाहीये? In case of von Neumann architecture, we have program memory and data memory in a single chip. But in case of Harvard, we have the separate memories of von Neumann and the Harvard architecture. This is main difference. Then we have the different data bus and the address bus in case of Harvard architecture. But in case of von Neumann, we have the single data and the control bus for both the memories. Such a basic difference you should be able to tell. Then only I can say the first outcome we have achieved. Okay, otherwise not. Mahesh, what is problem?
No, sir.
Okay, we are here what? We are looking for the outcomes of the chapter. Write down C 2.6 outcomes of the chapter. So at every end of the chapter, we have to see that what was outcomes we are written, we have understood or not. Okay, write down outcomes C 2.6 outcomes of the chapter. C 2.6 outcomes of the chapter. Write down the first same objectives for that chapter number 1 and 2. It is common. First CO ET 3.14.1. Describe fundamental features and operation of the 8051 microcontroller. Write down. Describe first outcome ET 314.1. Describe fundamental features and operation of 8051 microcontroller. Describe fundamental features and operation of the 8051 microcontroller. Done. Written this second CO. In that, write down. Describe various on-chip devices of the 8051. Describe various on-chip devices of the 8051. Describe the various on-chip devices of the 8051 microcontroller. Over? Second over?
Yes, sir.
Third one? In that third one? Understand and use the different instructions of the 8051. Understand and use the different instructions of 8051. So these three COs, as I written here, we should able to see at the end of this chapter. One chapter is finished. What was the first CO? Features and operation of 8051. Every student is able to give the features and its operation. Second CO talks about describe the on-chip devices inside the IC. So anyone student I'll ask randomly, please explain any device on that 8051. It may be IO port 1, 2, 3, timer, counter, serial port, anything. We should able to give the answer of that. And any instruction, how it is used. Understand and use. So anyone students from this class, I will ask at the end of the chapter, and he or she should able to give the answer of that. Then we can say outcomes are achieved, means we understood the things. Okay, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So next we'll go with the next slide. Okay, so why we need the controller? So can write the introduction part. At introduction. So what is use of this IC 8051? Okay, so you write the first point, introduction, then I'll explain this. So what are you observing here? What is this? If you're able to give the names, then it's okay, no issue. What is the first part this indicates? This is centrally what? We have the controller 8051. Okay, then we'll go clockwise like this. What is the first device it shows here? Kaite? Just tell me the name of this device. Look in the picture. What is this device? Nice, Uncle Konala?
Motor.
Yes, it's a DC motor. Two wires are there. That's why it's a DC motor. Plus VCC supply voltage. Another is a ground plane. Okay. So what is all the around this central IC shown? It is called as a either input or output devices. Okay. So it is a motor is there. It acts as an actuator. Means it's output device. It will be run and it will be open the door, curtain, anything. Okay. Rotate the fan also. As per application needed, I can interface this DC motor to the one of the pins. Port of the two pins are required for this only, and I can write the code for that, and it will run the motor for particular time interval. It is output device. DC motor can be interfaced. Second, what is that? Second device?
LCD.
LCD. It is written here only. 16 by 2. 16 characters like this, and 2 rows are there. That's meaning is 16 by 2. So also I can display some messages. If you went to some walls, all this thing, some offers are there. They are mentioning on displaying on the LCD. Okay, so I can interface the LCD along with the controller. Then I have a second display, buzzers. So buzzers for indication purpose. It will when we go into malls, and if you have some taken the things from that part and you're keeping in the or pocket, or simple example clothes, it is connected to the IR sensors, and if it comes at the door, it starts sirening. Okay, means it is the start alarming. Indicates that it is connected to the sensor. That is for the indication purpose. Buzzer is there. Segment display. It displays from 1, 2, 3, like a counter. If you go to the, if you observe the discrete channels, food processing industries are there. where the packets are going from that conveyor belt, how many packets are going the dispatches. It display on the some counters are there, displays are there in that. Okay, then we have I2C ICs there. Then I have the memory cards to be interfaced along with the controller. Then I have the joysticks. When we play the video games, we have the joysticks also we can use to interface that. Then I have the input key pads. This is a keyboard interfacing along with the microcontroller. Okay. Then I have the some piezoelectric sensors are there to interface along with that. Of the load cells where we are interfacing the piezoelectric materials. When we put the weight, it gives directly some voltages and that can be converted to ADC and display will be there. Then I have some PI sensors, push buttons, GPS, GSM modems. Okay. So when the mini grid and the control means as per the application, as per the project, I can control by using this microcontroller by interfacing various input as well as the output devices to this port, and I can control the anything by sitting here also. Nowadays we have the concept of IoT also. That is meaning of the control. Simple understand here meaning what control means writing some code and using that device. Either it is the input or the output. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is not required to draw like this here. IC. You can write in centrally 805 controller, and along with that one block motor. What we're looking, you can put the name of that. You draw this diagram like this. Inside the IC, microcontroller IC, arrow goes motor, DC motor, LCD. Just draw the square block, and in that we can put that name of the device. Okay. Not all the device, some specific devices, motor, LCD, buzzer, memories, keyboard, sensors along with that, like this. Write down fast. Draw this diagram. Done this? Hello. Over this diagram is over.
Yes, sir.
It's not required to draw right all the blocks. We can some mention it like that also along with the circular manner, writing in the square boxes. Will that write down? What is meaning of this? I'll tell here. So diagram shows that. Write down. Diagram shows that. At center we have 8051 controller. At center we have 8051 microcontroller. At center we have 8051 microcontroller. And around it we have different types of input devices such as input devices such as, so what are the input devices? I will tell here. Input devices such as push button, sensors we can say, push buttons, sensors, keyboard, joystick, push buttons, sensors, keyboard, joystick, etc. and and output devices such as output devices such as output devices such as DC motor, maybe stepper motor, servo motor, too many are there. You can say motors also, no issue. Motors, output devices such as motors, LCD displays, 7-segment displays, buzzer LED, buzzer LEDs, LED apostrophe S, LEDs, and other modules in bracket GPS, GSM. etc. Full stop. Next point. All these IO devices, IO means input output, all these IO devices can be interfaced to the controller. All these devices can be interfaced to the microcontroller 8051 to design a particular task or a project or application. All these IO devices can be interfaced to the 8051 microcontroller to run particular task or application or a project. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we'll stop it here. Time is up now. So remaining part we'll see in the next lecture. Some features and block diagram, all this thing it is there. This is architecture. Huh? Let me show here. This is architecture means what? What is inside that IC 8051? So at output we are seeing externally we have the 40 pins, 40 pins are there. For what purpose all these pins are there? How many IO devices are there? We have to see that. Okay. Shall we stop it here?
Yes, sir.
Where is our chat box? Chalo, start putting your numbers. Go ahead fast. 2, 3. Just wait. Who is missing? Don't put in bit numbers, huh? Hello. You need to put the number sequence wise, huh? Everybody is putting number anybody. Just wait. You have to put the number one more time. Hello. Put now number 1. 1 is there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is not there. 6 is there. 7, 8, 9, 10. 8. Absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Put the number, madam. I am calling means you should put the number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 13 absent. 13 is there. So only compute the first na. 14, 1, 4 absent. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 absent. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 23, 24, 25, 26, 6 absent. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 29 absent. 31 is there. 32, 33. Don't put number in between now. 34 absent. 35, 36, 37, 38, 37 absent. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 41 absent. 43, 43 absent. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 49, 50, 51. Okay. Absent students, roll number 3, 14, 19, 26, 29, 34, 37, 38, 41, 43, 49. If somebody is missing, you can put number now. 39 is there. Okay, next. 14 is there. Who else? Okay, so out of this, all are absent. 48. Okay, 48 is present, no issue. Chalo, ठीक. Go for next lecture or might be there.